Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 5th of April. And first of all, national news. No food for 5 days. Narayana Murthy recalled time he hitchhiked in Europe. Over 7,500 trees cut for 16-kilometer section of Delhi Dehradun Expressway (RDI). Elon Musk X introduced community notes feature in India. IAF Apache chopper damaged during emergency landing in Ladakh. Pilots safe. Ahead of heat wave, Health Ministry issued guidelines. And now some international news. Elon Musk Tesla began making cars in Germany for export to India. A report said. Tesla to explore locations in India for $3 billion EV factory, a report said. Saudi Crown Prince $100 billion foreign investment quest falters. As Jaishankar assured toughest legal action on Indians cheated in Russia. The total solar eclipse on April 8 will last for just a few minutes. Canada hiked permanent residency fees by 12%. And 2024 US presidential contest could be first. AI election, CE won. Now some sports news. Indian football team dropped 4 places to 121. PV Sindhu opt out of Uber Cup, strong side for Thomas Cup title defense. 5 Indian women shuttlers, including Anmol, entered quarterfinals of Kazakhstan Challenge. Next, 3 editions of WTA finals to be hosted in Saudi Arabia. Business related news. RBI deferred exchange traded currency derivatives norms to May 3rd. Gold scales fifth consecutive record high after Federal Reserve's comments. Oil prices remain close to $90 a barrel on concerns of lower supply. Sensex Nifty hit record highs as HDFC TCS rose. India's services sector growth hit 13.5-year high in March on robust demand conditions, PMI. And that's all in news. Thank you.